What are the legal frameworks for corporate governance in the U.S.? In recent days, corporate governance has become a hot topic as companies face increased scrutiny. Many are asking, what are the legal frameworks that shape corporate governance in the United States? This question is especially relevant as new laws and regulations emerge. Let's break down the key components that define corporate governance today. Most corporate governance rules come from state laws. Delaware is particularly important because many companies are incorporated there. The Delaware General Corporation Law outlines essential rules for corporate governance. This includes the business judgment rule, which protects directors when they make decisions in good faith. Federal laws also play a significant role, especially for publicly traded companies. The Securities Exchange Act of 1930 and the Securities Act of 1933 set disclosure requirements to protect investors. The Sarbanes-Oxley Act of 2000 to raise the bar with stricter governance standards. This includes rules for financial disclosures and auditor independence. Regulatory agencies, like the Securities and Exchange Commission, enforce these federal laws. They oversee corporate disclosures and ensure compliance with rules regarding shareholder voting and executive pay. Judicial decisions are another critical aspect of corporate governance. Courts interpret laws related to fiduciary duties and shareholder rights. The business judgment rule is a key judicial doctrine that protects directors from liability when acting responsibly. In recent legislative developments, some states have updated their corporate governance laws. For example, Texas recently codified the business judgment rule. They also established rules for transactions involving controlling shareholders. These changes reflected ongoing shifts in governance practices. Shareholder activism is also influencing corporate governance. Activists are pushing for board changes and greater transparency. They often use proxy fights and proposals to hold management accountable. Certain laws apply to specific types of companies. Investment funds are governed by the Investment Company Act of 1940. This law is currently under review by the Supreme Court regarding shareholder litigation rights. Banking-related entities face additional regulations under the Federal Deposit Insurance Act. In summary, corporate governance in the United States is shaped by a combination of state laws, federal regulations, judicial decisions, and evolving legislative reforms. This layered system seeks to balance management authority with shareholder protections. Recent trends show increased shareholder engagement and state-level updates to governance frameworks.